Hi guys, I'm Tim Queen and today I'm going to share with you how to make better decisions as entrepreneurs. The problem with most entrepreneurs is they don't have a boss anymore, so they tend to idle and do all kinds of stuff to spend that time but not focusing on the activities that matter most. So I created this convenient entrepreneur decision matrix which will help you to make better decisions, to ask yourself 4 questions to determine if whatever you want to do or whatever you're doing is actually something you should focus your time on or you should instantly quit. So the first question is, does this generate instant cash flow? This is very important. Most businesses fail because of lack of cash flow. All activities that generate instant cash flow, closing deals, fixing the contract, negotiating the terms that lead to instant cash flow, those are the activities which are most important for your business, and you should focus most of your activities on number 1, instant cash flow. The second best, if you can't generate instant cash flow, then think about future cash flow, and that means generating leads, qualifying people, getting onto calls, meetings, talking to people, qualifying people, analyzing what are their needs, determining what they are looking for, how you can help them, seeing if they have the means and the tools to make this work for you, qualifying leads. This will lead to future cash flow. It's not instant, but it's important that you always have a pipeline of leads that can turn into instant cash flow in the future. If you don't have anything that can create instant cash or future cash, think about nurturing high quality relationships that can help you in the future. This can be, for example, this could be someone who is the editor of a newspaper who can help you to get an article featured. This could be someone who is organizing an event who could get you as a speaker on stage. This can be someone who has like a big network who could make some introductions to some potential future customers. You want to really focus and identify those relationships which have the most impact for your business, and you want to really focus on nurturing this, meeting with those people, see how you can help them. People who have a lot of value, they also respond. If you can bring value to them, you don't want to be like the one sucking up. You want to be the one who's giving value to them, and then they reciprocate the favor and give something to you in return. How can you give value? How can you nurture those relationships, grow long-term friendship and business relationships? And the last item, number 4, is growing your brand. So growing your brand can be anything of gaining followers, getting published in different magazines, on websites, getting on podcasts, creating content. This will grow your audience. A certain percentage of your audience will be high quality relationships that you can be nurtured. A certain percentage of your audience will be people who can become leads in the future. And some percentage, small number, will be someone who is instantly buying from you. So you have to make sure, this is like the large part, growing your brand, gaining an audience, followers, growing on different social media channels, growing your email list, ranking your articles on Google, getting guest posts, getting featured on different podcasts, different shows, collaborations. This is growing your brand. This means eyeballs on your business. From there, identify the high quality relationships and nurture them. Identify the leads and qualify them, and turn the leads into instant cash flow. And if you focus on just those 4 categories, you're gonna create a profitable business in whatever niche you're in. Anything that doesn't fall into those 4 qualities is either a maybe or no. So to make it simple, consider everything, if you're just starting out, that it doesn't fit into any of those 4 categories, a clear no. That means watching movies, hanging out with friends, doing some random stuff. It's really important that you focus on those qualities first. If you have fixed your cash flow, you can turn no's into maybes. You can have a little more freedom. Wind down, do some activities that don't generate cash flow, but are like helping you, like they might contribute to your health, to your friendships, relationships. But if your cash flow is tight, only those 4 will give you a yes, everything else is a no. So let me know in the comments below what you think of my 4-step matrix. How do you make decisions as an entrepreneur? Which activities are you focusing on? Make sure that you hit the like button and click on subscribe and turn notifications on to get more videos like this into your newsfeed via email.